Student, there are some multiple choice question are given in your exercise. So let us look at choose the correct answer. In this question, there are sentence given, some sentences are given, and this sentence has a blank space. You have to fill these blanks from the correct option. Okay, so let us look at the question first. The first question is the equatorial region, blank space and blank space, throughout the year. What is the condition to be throughout the year in equatorial region? Hot dry, cold humid, cold dry and hot humid. What is condition would be in equatorial region? Okay, the right option is hot and humid, because the equatorial region has received the equatorial region received the direct sunlight throughout the year, and most part of this region is near the sea. So the effect of the sea, this region has high humidity. So this region is hot and humid. Okay. Next question is the largest equatorial forest in the world is. Which is the largest forest in equatorial region? It is not only equatorial region, it is the whole of the world largest forest in the world that is in Malaysia, Congo, the Amazon and the Indonesia. Student, look at the option carefully here. Some are countries given in three options. And this is not a country name. This is found in Brazil. That is types of the name of forest is Amazon forest, found in Brazil. Okay, this forest is the world's largest forest. Okay. And it has supplied most of the oxygen in the world. Okay, it is also called the lungs of the earth. Okay, next question, are the found in the understory. Understory is the second layer of the rainforest in equatorial region. So which types of animals found in this region? So lizard, crocodile, spider, monkeys and butterflies. Okay, crocodile lives in water. It has not this type's animal does not live on the tree. Spider live on the tree on the emergent layer. And next is the monkeys also. Spider monkey emergent layer and butterfly live at the canopy layer. So lizard is one of the animals that are found in the layer of understory. Okay. Next question is, in equatorial region, most of the people live in. What is the right answer? The rainforest, the plantation, ranching, city along the coast. In the equatorial region, most of the people live in where? The right option is city along the coast, because the equatorial region are mostly covered with thick forest, and only tribal people live in the forest, which are hunter and gatherer still. But most of the people live in the cities which are located near the sea. Okay, next question is permanently clear forest for the farming, mining or settling of factories. Okay, when we clear the forest for our purpose like permanent settle or agriculture or set up the factories, that type is called ranching, deforestation, shifting cultivation or plantation farming. Okay, that is called ranching. Okay, ranching is a type of factories that are set up जहां पर आप देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे जानवरों को काटा जाता है. दे आर ranchers. Okay, slaughter house are types of ranching house. Okay, next so student, in this section we have studied about the MCQ question, multiple choice question. So in next video we will study about the question answer. Till then, goodbye. Hello student, I am Sandeep Singh and today I am going to explain the exercise of chapter 4. Student, you have to read about the hot and wet equatorial region. So let us look at the exercise of the chapter 4, the hot and wet equatorial region. In this exercise, first we look at the exploring new words. It means that some words are given in your lesson which are a special meaning or a special characteristic of this word. So let us look at these words. What is specific explanation? Okay, so let's start now. First we look at the natural vegetation. What is natural vegetation? Okay, so plant life that grow naturally in region without help from human. Okay, plants which are grow naturally, not in help of human being. Okay, which are grow naturally, like everything you see that near about that, which types many types of grass, trees, plants are grow. There is no planting of there anybody. Okay, they are called natural vegetation. And in a large area there are some plants, trees, grass, etc. are grown in a large area. That's all the natural vegetation. And these types of forest have very varied plantation. Okay, next, evergreen forest. What is evergreen forest? In the next previous class you have also read about evergreen forest. Evergreen means which types of forest that is green throughout the year, called evergreen forest. Forest where the trees shed their leaves. The characteristic of the evergreen forest, that is forest of their trees have shed their leaves at different times. Okay, they shed their leaves not at same times, in different times. So these type forest seen always green throughout the year, say not bear their leaves at once. So, okay, tree never bear leaves and forest always appear green. Okay, next word is given here, plantation farming. What is plantation farming? प्लांटेशन फार्मिंग को क्या कहते हैं? हिंदी में इसको कहते हैं बागानी खेती। यानी अगर हम देखें तो जिसको हम बाग लगा देते हैं, बड़े बड़े पौधों के बाग लगा देते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? प्लांटेशन फार्मिंग। जैसे ग्रेप्स, कॉफी, टी, दैट्स आर एग्जांपल ऑफ plantation farming. Okay, a type of farming where crops are grown on a large farm. These types of crops are grown in large farm and called plantation farming. Okay, जहां पर हम देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे पौधे को एक बार में लगा देते हैं। जैसे आपने कॉफी बागान देखे होंगे, कॉफी बागान, चाय बागान, रबर के बागान, इस तरह से अंगूरों के बागान देखे होंगे, सुने होंगे। इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्लांटेशन फार्मिंग। इसमें जो है बड़े बड़े बागान लगा दिए जाते हैं और एक बार में लार्ज क्वांटिटी में हम इसको प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। नेक्स्ट, डिफॉरेस्टेशन, परमानेंटली क्लियरिंग फॉरेस्ट यूजिंग द लैंड फॉर अदर पर्पस। When we cutting down the tree in a large quantity for using in different purpose, that is called deforestation। जब हम जंगल को अपने उद्देश्य के लिए, विभिन्न उद्देश्यों के लिए हम इसको काट देते हैं, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिफॉरेस्टेशन, निवर्णीकरण। ओके, नेक्स्ट है शिफ्टिंग एग्रीकल्चर। Shifting, which time means a method of farming where patches of forest are cleared. In this method, people cleared the forest and used to farming for few years. When this soil lose the fertility, they shifted to other place and cleared the other patch of forest. This types is called shifting agriculture। इसको हम बोलते हैं स्थानांतरित खेती। इसमें क्या होता है कि एक जगह पर जंगल को साफ कर दिया जाता है, जला दिया जाता है। जलाने के बाद वहां पर लोग कुछ दिन तक खेती करते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जमीन जो है बहुत फर्टिलाइज होती है, उपजाऊ होती है। उसके बाद जब उसकी फर्टिलिटी खत्म हो जाती है तो वहां से उन लोग दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं, नए जगह पर वो साफ कर देते हैं। लेकिन वहां पर जहां उन्होंने छोड़ा था उस जगह को वो वहां पर दोबारा जंगल नहीं लगाते। इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि वो जंगल धीरे धीरे ज्यादा ही समाप्त होने शुरू हो जाते हैं। द अदर वर्ड्स आर गिवन इन द एक्सप्लोरिंग वर्ड्स आर ट्राइबल पीपुल। Who called tribal people? The original settlers of the land is called tribal people। जो वर्षों से जंगलों में बिना किसी के संपर्क में आए, पुरानी पद्धतियों में रहते चले आए हैं। जैसे hunter, they are hunter and gatherers only, like that early humans are hunter gatherer। The tribal also hunter gatherers today, so these are called tribals। Next, ranching। What is ranching? Running a ranch, it means that some people are raised the different types of cattle for their milk, meat, wool, or selling। Okay, that is called ranching। In some countries there are very large farm of ranching। They raise different types of animals। Okay, so these cards are ranching। Okay, बहुत सारे लोग बहुत बड़े जानवर के फार्म बनाए हुए हैं, जैसे कि पिग, शिप एंड बहुत सारे तरह के होते हैं। इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रैंचिंग। ओके।